This chapter explains the output mode. You have several output modes in HADA devices. By default, the device is configured as dual and 4 ohms in each of the 4 output channels. The amplifier will be able to deliver different power depending on the model, the configuration, the connected loads and the connections. The first thing to know is how do you want every pair of channels, in dual mode or bridge mode. The connection in the back of the amplifier is different depending how you work. In bridge mode you turn 2 channels into 1. This means that a HADA will have 2, 3 or 4 channels depending on your connections. Before connecting your loudspeakers you will need to make the corresponding adjustments in the software. First, be aware to be connected as administrator, entering the corresponding password in the hardware menu as explained in the administrator and user mode chapter. Now, you can choose the impedance and output mode for each channel in the drop-down list. In this case, we can start for channel 1. See that 4 ohm dual is selected by default. This means that the amplifier will route the signal and adjust internal limiter expecting a 4 ohm load in channel 1. Maybe in channel 2 we will connect an 8 ohm load. Note that the bridge option is only available in channel 1 and channel 3. Let's use channel 3 and 4 in bridge mode high impedance. As you see, if we select a bridged option, then the even channel, channel 4 in this case, disappears. In our example then we should connect a 4 ohm load in channel 1, an 8 ohm load in channel 2 and a high impedance line in bridge mode in channels 3 and 4. So think what to do in your case before connecting.